Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you about routing. Routing is a very important aspect in the Express.js web application. So let's see why we need routing. One simple reason. We cannot write an entire Express application in the app.js. Means right now, here we are handling the student's data. In the previous example, we are handling the student data. Likewise, suppose if I take e-commerce application. If I take e-commerce application, there are so many data entry points like products. We need to handle the product data. We need to handle the users. We need to handle the orders. We need to handle the cart. So likewise, we need to handle so many things. So it is practically impossible to write everything in the app.js file. So it is always suggestible create separate file for separate functionality like products.js file, users.js file. So likewise it is always suggestible to use a separate JS file and finally integrate all these modules or functionalities into your main application file, that is nothing but what's our app.js. So right now, this is your main entry point. From here, the request handling will go to the corresponding functionality based on the criteria. Based on the criteria. If the products related one, if the request come to the app.js, if the product related request will be redirect to the product.js. If it is a user related request, redirect to the user.js. Likewise, it's going to be happen. So this concept is called as a routing. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a simple routing based application. Sir, what are the steps? The steps are same. So let us do one by one. The first step, create Node.js project. Create Node.js project. Next step will be install the libraries. Install the library. Sir, what are the libraries I need to install? I need to install the Express. I need to install the body parser to read the client side data, and as well as I need MongoDB because I want to integrate with the database. So let us do these steps, sir. So I'm creating a new folder, example 6. Example 6. So in this example, first I'm creating it as a Node.js project. What is the concept, sir? npm init. So it will ask you about your project details. We can modify that. Don't worry. Other name is RK. So that's good. Sir, my project is created. The next step will be install the libraries. npm install hyphen save express body parser and MongoDB. So we can install multiple libraries in a single command. So don't bother about that. So just we need to provide the space. Automatically npm will download all the libraries and it will be placed under in your what folder node underscore modules. So now I am opening this one in my Visual Studio for development process. Okay then. The project is created and it is available in the Node.js. So I hope you understand the things. Now, next one. Here I need to give the app.js. That's good. So next one. What is the first file, sir? App.js. So third one, create app.js and write common logic. What is the common logic, sir? Like loading the express and all the steps, sir. Where, or I can also use the let express equal to require. What we need required, sir? Express. Next one, let app equal to express. Sir, I loaded the framework, I initialize the framework app.listen, listen equal to 3000. So right now I'm starting the server, and as well as I'm going to notify console.log server started. So very simple, sir. My application is ready. Now I don't want to write all the student related code here, all the employee related code here, or the product related code here. I want to create a separate folder. The folder name I'm going to take it as a routes. It is a general practice, sir. So right now in this one I'm creating the student.js file. So very simple, where or let router equal to require load what frame, what is the answer, express dot router. Now I have the router, sir. Now I have the router. So on this router I can register our methods. Earlier we are registering on the app, but right now I need to register in the router. App dot get all students. Again I'm telling, I'm not writing anything fancy here. Function request comma response. The same logic earlier what we do in the app, right now I am doing on the router. So what is the code, sir? Response dot send. I'm not writing anything fancy. Get all students data. So right now we need to communicate with the database and we need to get the data. Right now I'm not doing that also. Module dot exports means right now this code I need to integrate with our application. That is why modules dot export equal to router. So import here, let student router equal to, very simple, require load the JavaScript file. Dots dot, what is the folder, sir? Routes dot student. Sir, I have the student. Now we need to integrate with the app dot use. What is the answer? Students, comma, student router. So right now in this way, I can integrate our student with our application. So our application is ready. Let's run our program. Very simple. What is the command, sir? Node app.js. Server started. Now open your application, means open your browser to test your code. HTTP localhost colon, port number should be 3000 slash, what is the next one, sir? Sorry, it is 3000 slash students slash get all student. So right now you can effectively access your application. The students is your router path. In this in this router or in this module, I want to access what is a URL, sir? Get all student. That is why the complete URL should be localhost colon 3000 slash student slash get all students. So this is the way I can access. Sir, can you show me another example? Yes. Observe, I'm going to take another employee.js. Now very simple. Again, I'm telling let router equal to load the framework require. What is the one I'm loading? Express dot router. You can see now I initialize the router. Next one, router dot get. You can register any method, sir. Get, post, put, delete. Get all employees. You can take any URL, but I need to provide proper URL here, comma, function, request, comma, response. Sir, I am able to do this one. Next one, very simple. I'm not writing anything fancy. Response dot send. So very simple code. Return. I need to return get all employees method. So use my previous example and create here. So module dot exports equal to router. Sir, my code, my employee module is finished. Now I can easily integrate with this application. So very simple. Here I am going to say employees router. So this employees router I need to register with what URL prefix employees. Now I am going to configure what is the file name we are having, employee. So right now everything is integrated. So why I need to dollar? So in very big projects, it is difficult to maintain a single JS file. That is why we need to create what's a separate JS file for the separate functionality. So in future, any employee related bugs are reported. Directly we come and verify in what JS files are employee.js file. Likewise, maintaining is very easy. Means if at all any defect is reported, we can easily resolve because we can easily locate and the to provide the fix the time will be very less. That is why we need to go for what's a routing. So this is the way we are going to do. So let me show you that node app.js server started the same code with a different URL employees get all employees. See, so you are able to access on client side. Sir, okay, I understand. Sir, how to communicate with the database? How to communicate with the database? So use the database logic here. The way I do earlier, just to copy paste the code, the creating the connection code and all those things. I hope you understand the things, and I believe you are going to practice. Please let me know how it go in the comment section. Thank you.